I've got a complete trading system for 2024. That's what I'm looking at right here, my very first trading system. Now, we have my 52 trade strategy, my infinite edge robot strategy, my crypto strategy, and my Orca strategy, my DCA strategy, my backdoor income strategy, and my $1 million Forex strategy. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strategies. I'm running 7 strategies. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom here. This is, without further ado, this is where we're at. I started the week at $34,246, and that I ended at $2,645. So we're going to go ahead. The week was rough. Now, if we go back and we'll look at the market, you're going to see that the market was down as well. And so far, the yearly change is just this same number right here. The market is down. But what I want everybody to notice here is that the market was down this week, and that's not really the only reason why I was losing money. But I'm going to review all of these. So first of all, this one right here, the 52 trades, didn't change because I didn't close any trades. So some of the trades had dropped in value, but I did not close any trades. So as I close trades, this will change. It has no balance right now because this is just a demo account. And the crypto strategy, I started out at the start of the year with 13,000 and it went down to 11,900. So that is about $1,000 drop right there. Then we have the Orca strategy, which was 8,200 and now it's down to 7,889. And then two more, actually 3 more. The Forex, again, $1 million Forex. I'm going to go over this during this video, but that didn't change because that's my prop test. This is a prop test right now, and so I have not been able to generate any funds on it yet because I just started it. Okay, and then backdoor income. Backdoor income was the big one where I lost $970. Let's just put this as a minus $970. And then we'll make that red. But yeah, that was a big one, and it was a big mistake. I got crushed. So we're gonna go over that in great detail. You're gonna learn how I got crushed. And then DCA was just my buying, just buy and hold. And this particular strategy was down negative $264 on the week. It started at 5. And then it went to 5,200. So that's where I'm at. That's the total results. Now let's go ahead and just share some of the key highlights. So the Robinhood was the biggest one, and that's my 52 trades strategy, or no, my backdoor income strategy. And I started at 2,500, and you can see now I'm at 1,276. And so what happened, if we go back to one of my videos this week, I messed up big time. I bought call instead of selling a call. And that one mistake cost me the full amount on the trade. If we click here and we look at the trade, let's see if I can see my notifications here. So this particular trade, let's see, I spent $1,140 on this trade, right here, $1,140, because I opened that by 10. All right, now the thing about this was I made the wrong move. I pushed the wrong button. I talked about it in the video. Well, I ended up losing a full $1,140 on that mistake. It was a mistake, and it cost me big. Okay, and so, but then I made another trade where I made 130 back. So this might take me some time to come back from. But you know what? It's week number 1. Let's keep it going. The DCA is pretty good. If you go back on one of my other videos, I shared all of that on how I made money with that. Last year I doubled, but right now I'm down 200 in the first week. Okay, the crypto strategy, I started with 13,000. I have that here on Webull Pay. You can see my account value right now is 11,995. And really, I'm going to go into this on more detail. But right now, I'm just holding one crypto on this one, and I'm holding just about $12,000 worth. And then I have my Orca strategy. Let me pull that up for you guys. So the Orca strategy is where I'm holding Solana, but I'm holding it inside of Orca, and I'm providing liquidity so that I can earn interest. And so my current balance is $6,948, but I've earned $115 in interest. Now, if we go to my spreadsheet here, you're going to see that I lost, well, I didn't lose 1,000. That's not right. I lost a little bit because I started at 8,200, but I have it in different wallets. So let me just show you what that looks like. So in my wallet here, and I don't have my password, so let's just grab that password real quick. Okay, so in my wallet, we're going to see that I have 263, but then I have another wallet that has 611, and that's where I get the total where I'm at right now. So this is going to really change as Solana increases. I'm going to do a little bit of an analysis here on Solana. So this is a Solana chart, and let me zoom up. You're going to see that this over here is $80, which is kind of where I'm looking for this to go. But with my current Solana strategy, I'm going to be collecting interest as long as it's, all the time. And I do have a video on that. You can go back and look at it. If you need more details on any of this stuff, let me know and I'll do another video. And if you're interested in a live stream, maybe I could do a live stream where we can go over all of these questions, and then you could ask me those specific questions, right, about any of this stuff. So this is the Solana trade. And that's where I have a big chunk of, if we go back to my spreadsheet, you can see most of my money right now is in crypto. I've got 8,000 in the Orca and then 12,000 in this one. So between those two, that's about $20,000 of my money is in that. And then I have the rest in backdoor income, DCA, and 52 trades. Now, I don't have any money in Forex right now, but that's going to change as time goes on because I'm looking to passing those tests. Now, let's go ahead and just look at what I have done so far with those tests. Let me pull over the screen for you guys. There we go. All right, so actually, if we go to our account history and we just look for this week was pretty flat. It was down $41. I had some good winning trades in there, but then I took some big losers, and so it kind of boxed out and just ended up being a $41. You can kind of see that in the corner. See if I zoom in on it. For me, it's really exciting because I